This is my new paintball gun that I got for my birthday. It is the Tippman A5 with the A5 flatline barrel, 12 ounce CO2 cylinder with the 1-point sling harness, as well with the spyder 4+1 harness to hold my paintballs. Each container holding about 180 paintballs, and the A5 flatline barrel I got for $79.99 at Bass Pro Shop. The gun itself cost $189.99 Academy, and the harness was about $14.99. Sling was $19.99. The cylinder, I believe, was $20, I believe, something like that. But I got the remote coil ordered, and I've got the stock that comes with it. Well, doesn't come with it, but I ordered it, and I got it for $15, kind of like the M4. So far, this is the beginning of my new paintball gun.